The Grasshoppers. Grasshopper camper. This is this a Honda Acti? I think this is a Honda Acti. In this thing, got bucket seats. Get your fold down stove. This thing pulls out, and I guess you can have another burner and stuff. All your cooking stuff. The kitchen. There's different ones. There's like a Wanderer one. There's a mechanic one. Camper. I guess we're looking at a camper, and there's a Craftsman one. All right. So the back folds down. You can sleep in this thing. This pops up like that. These all open up, and this is a full slider that goes all the way back. This side has some drawers and stuff. You can still fold the sides up. This is where you have all your tools. This is a red one. Check out the cubby holes. Very deep storage cubby holes. Plenty of these things. Pretty cool. Grasshopper.
Yeah.